Investing just $1 may seem challenging, but with a strategic approach, it's possible to generate returns over time. Here are some options. Micro-investing apps. Several apps allow you to invest small amounts of money, sometimes as little as $1, in fractional shares of stocks or ETFs. These apps often use a roundup feature, where they invest spare change from everyday purchases. High-yield savings accounts. While not traditional investments, high-yield savings accounts offer a safe way to earn interest on your $1 investment. Look for accounts with competitive interest rates to maximize your earnings over time. Cryptocurrency. Some cryptocurrency platforms allow you to invest small amounts, such as $1, in popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Keep in mind that cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper or Lending Club allow you to lend small amounts of money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. It's essential to research these platforms and understand the associated risks. Start a small business. Use your $1 to kickstart a small business or entrepreneurial venture. Consider selling handmade crafts online, offering freelance services, or starting a blog or YouTube channel.